So how was your day yesterday, Jhansi? Great. Yeah. Well, thank you so much. I'm happy. Just you people understand and you are appreciating. Both are the very good things because teaching does not matter until a student does not understand, right? Yes, and parts of speech is something we need to understand it properly, okay? Because the moment we will understand it properly, then we will be able to frame any kind of sentences, okay? Then there won't be any difficulty for framing any of the sentence, right? Because most of the time what happens, we know, if you will take the example of, I will say parts of speech we have learned somewhere from our school days only, right? When we were in 5th, 6th standard, from that time I remember I was from Hindi medium school. So our teachers used to teach us noun, pronoun, all this and that. But the beauty is only one thing, if you have worked hard at that time, then it is easy to understand. If we have not worked hard, then we now take some time to understand and we need to open our mind, okay? But it is an essential part of grammar, I will say, because that is something which will define whether you will be able to frame the sentence or not, okay? So now it's dot 8. Let's start now. As I have promised, I will start the session on time, right? Okay. So you people can mute, and because by which even if there will be any disturbance in sound, then it will disturb me too, okay? So let's start the session. It's 8 a.m. my dear friends, okay? As I have told you everybody to be on time, I'm very happy. I'm saying first time, in session students are coming before, and it is very much important, my dear friends, because small things decides whether we are going to get succeed in our life or no. Okay, now the matter is, you people have asked many questions to me, and I have noted your questions, and I will answer your questions at the end, okay? So because if I go first, then might be we will lose new things, okay? I will answer your questions, each and every questions, don't worry for that. And if anybody's questions get missed, don't worry. Again today put your question, okay? And in chatbot be to the point, okay? If you will be to the point, it will be beneficial to each one of you, right? Okay? So now my dear friends, today what are we going to do? Today we are going to do a very small thing, that is that how to learn English by listening and watching movie, okay? How can you learn English by listening and watching movie? And after that we will come for grammar portion also, okay? So just understand, listening and watching movie is a very essential part, I will say, for learning English. Now you say, "Arey wah, ye to bahut achhi baat hai. Now I will watch movies only," okay? You watch movies, most welcome, okay? But remember, I'm not talking about romantic movies, okay? Because what will happen? You will not study, you will get diverted, and you will lose your focus, concentration, everything, okay? So I'm talking about meaningful movies which are used in our day-to-day life. And what are those meaningful movies? Now you will say, I don't know, so don't worry, I will give you that. But before that, there are some principles, and you have to watch movie while keeping those principles in your mind. You have to go through according to that. And what are those principles? Dear friends, those principles are very small, okay? First one is that watch movie with subtitles. Watch movie with subtitles. Whenever you are watching movies, my dear friends, just watch it with subtitles, okay? What will happen? When you will, okay, somebody requested me to use Hindi also. I will use little bit Hindi, don't worry, okay? But my dear, try to listen me and understand me, because when I speak, I use my body language too, okay? And if I am using my body language, then I think you will be in a position to understand. Maybe sometimes you will not be able to understand my words, but you will understand my body gesture, in what context I am talking about, okay? So watch movies with subtitles means movie जब भी आप देखते हो subtitle के साथ में देखो, means at below the line you will find the subtitles, whatever the person or the hero heroines are speaking, or the whatever is the character over there, whatever they are speaking, the words will be written over there. Yeah, it takes a lot of time. Many times it will happen, the subtitles are going very fast, so sometimes you will be able to read half, sometimes you will be able, then you will get puzzled, oh my god, I did half only. So don't worry, you go back. Okay, what I'm saying, I'm not saying here watch movie in 3 hours, okay? First you understand the principle, then we'll go in little more detail, okay? Don't watch a movie in 3 hours or while sitting one shot. If I'm telling you to listen learning point of view, another thing, there was a question and that question will also come into this, and that's why I told you I will take the questions in the end, okay? Because it might be in my presentation your questions will be covered, right? Because wherever context will come, I will tell you, so that will be more beneficial to you, okay? So what I told you, watch movie with subtitles. आप मूवी जब भी देखते हो सबटाइटल्स के साथ में देखो, ओके? और सबटाइटल्स को पढ़ने की कोशिश करो, और जहां पर आपको लगता है कि ये सेंटेंस बहुत खूबसूरत है, अरे वाह इस चीज को ये बोलते हैं, जस्ट कीप अ नोटबुक, a diary, a pen with you. If not possible notebook, diary, then keep a small handy notebook which you can carry anywhere, okay? But after that you fair it, or I will say nowadays we don't have time for rough and fair, so please keep a beautiful small book. I'm not saying just you have to take a very big book, keep a small handy notebook, okay? And that will help you a lot, my dear friend. Just write that sentence, write the word which you did not understand, or write that sentence also which you found out the meaning is powerful. I need to understand, I need to apply in my day-to-day life. So just you write that sentence also, okay? So this was the one principle. The principle number second is what, my dear friends? It is a very nice, and that is use earphone, okay? Use earphone. You need to use earphones while watching movies, okay? Use earphones, because earphones will help you to understand the pronunciation. It will help you to understand the pronunciation, and you are building your vocabulary on the basis of word, class, language which are used. Because do you think the movies which I'm talking about best movies which gives you learning, and these movies will be only a depiction of character or love affair. These movies will give you the life lessons, learning for your life. You will enjoy the movie, you will apply in your day-to-day life, and you will learn also. So it will give you tremendous effect if you will apply that, okay? The next principle is what, my dear friends? Just search the meaning of that word. Whatever words you are writing, what you have to do, you have to search the meaning of that word, and you take pause wherever it is necessary, my dear friends. Take pause. You will say, what do you mean by pause? Pause means, for example, you listen any sentence and you did not understand, then what you need to do? Just be silent, take pause, try to understand what the sentence is saying, okay? And after that you go ahead, okay? So what it will do, it will just take a pause, write that sentence or write that word, then you go ahead, okay? Another thing is that you can search the meaning at the same time. You can download the dictionary Hinkos in your mobile, okay? You put that English word, the dictionary will give you the meaning immediately. I will say it's better if you nowadays, even we all have two mobiles, but no issue. Sometimes it will also happen, you will say while watching movie at the same time, if I am just going to search the dictionary meaning, then I won't be comfortable, no issue. Then you watch it later, okay? Later means doesn't mean after 1 hour, 2 hour. Just you watch the movie and keep one thing in mind, you are not going to watch the movie for 3 hours continuous. No, not at all. You are going to watch that movie only for 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Minimum 20 minutes, maximum 30 minutes at one shot, okay? While sitting one shot, you watch that movie only for 20 minutes or 30 minutes and write the words, because in 20 to 30 minutes, you are watching it thoroughly, and write those words, then search the meanings and write it in your diary. And after that you start practicing the words on the basis of that, okay, where you have seen all, where you have got these words, okay? So wherever you did not understand, take a pause, write the word, search the meaning. Next point is what? Make your own dictionary. You were asking yesterday, Jyoti ma'am, give me those 2500 words, 3000 words, and I will be able to speak in a day. I will give you, don't worry, okay? But there is one thing, my dear friends, remember one thing. Even I'm telling you, you know all those words. You know all those words. The matter is only you don't know how to apply it, okay? And my part is only how to teach you how to do the application. For that you need little more effort and little more time. And what will be that time? My dear friends, I'm conducting this lecture for many of them, okay? But at the end, what I'm going to do, don't you know? I'm telling you, I'm going to give you one of my main course, okay? And definitely that will be paid course, that won't be free, my dear friends. So prepare yourself, okay, to buy that course. and in that course you will get maximum value from me, because that course you will get the recordings, you will get the videos, you will get the books, whatever I'm talking about. Okay, at the same time what will you get, at the same time you will get access from me, even live lectures of almost 15 hours of live lectures, and then that session will be for almost, we will keep it for a month, or not a month, 21 days we will keep it for that. Okay, because I don't want, if I give you video lectures only, I know what is the ratio of completing the online courses, my dear friend. It's only 2 to 3%. Okay, not more than that. And I will say, even these 2 to 3% people do not want to buy the online model courses. Okay, they can do themselves also, because they are the people who take the initiative in their life. But listen, don't think like that. So in these 5 days, and if you will not buy my main course, then it will not give you benefit, nothing like that. I'm just speaking straight to you. Okay, another thing, but if you are listening me, you are following me, whatever I'm telling you, even if you are not buying the course, if you are applying my method by yourself, even you can improve your English. Okay, and in day-to-day life words, as you were talking about vocabulary, so I will say, by heart all the antonyms and synonyms. Antonyms and synonyms, for example, dark, light, sour, sweet. So such a word, day, night, antonyms, synonyms, because whenever we speak in comparisons. Now your question also can, the use of then and then. Okay, somebody asked me yesterday, ma'am, tell me when to use then and when to use that. Remember one thing, my dear friends, then, THEN, then means tab, and THAN, then, this then means comparison. When we are comparing one thing to another thing, in that case you use then, right? So THEN, then, for example, if you are talking about your daily routine, so what you will do here. Good morning everyone, my name is Jyoti Singh. I am going to speak with you about my daily routine. Daily I wake up early in the morning at 6 am. After that I get fresh, then I have bath. Did you understand here? After that I said then. पहले मैंने आफ्टर दैट यूज किया, फिर मैंने देन यूज किया. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैं ये करती हूँ, ये जो सेंटेंस है कंप्लीट होने के बाद जब ये बात आ रही है कि उसके बाद मैं ये काम करता हूँ या तब मैं ये काम करता हूँ, तब आप उसको देन से यूज करो. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर सेंटेंस में कंपैरिजन की बात हो रही है, दो लोगों को कंपेयर किया जा रहा है कि ये अच्छा है, ये बुरा है, या इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा है, तो उस केस में आप THEN देन की बात करो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई ब्रदर इज एल्डर देन माई सिस्टर. माई ब्रदर इज एल्डर देन माई सिस्टर. मेरा भाई जो है वो मेरे सिस्टर से बड़ा है. ओके, नाउ वन थिंग रिमेंबर माई डियर फ्रेंड्स. ओके, you be with me and follow the instructions. Okay, so it will help you, and the questions you have asked me now, you will get the answers in the application mode. Okay, so it will help you a lot. Remember THEN तब जब ऑल्टरनेटिव एक काम के बाद दूसरा काम हो रहा है तब आप यूज करो. मैं एप्लीकेशन की बात कर रही हूँ, ठीक है ना. और THEN जब आपको किसी भी चीज, दो व्यक्तियों का या दो गुणों का, क्वालिटीज का कंपैरिजन करना है, इन दैट केस यू यूज THEN then, right? Okay, now the next thing, revise every Sunday. जो मूवी आप देख रहे हो, come to the point, the movie which you are watching, what do you have to do? You have to revise. What do you have to revise? The movie again you have to sit and watch. No, I'm telling you, revise the word meanings which you have written every Sunday. जिसका क्वेश्चन मुझसे ये था कि मैम वोकैबुलरी दो, मैं आपको ये बोल रही हूँ, आप ये मेरा फॉलो करो इंस्ट्रक्शन. अगर आप 10 मूवीज को देखते हो, मैंने आपको 2500 की बात की है, आपको 3000 से शब्द तो वहीं पे मिल जाएंगे. कोई आपको ये हैक फ्री में नहीं बताएगा. नोबडी विल टेल यू, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू, इफ यू कैन डू योरसेल्फ, आई विल बी हैप्पी, मोर हैप्पी. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस, यू कम टू मी ओनली. ओके, बट इफ यू फील लाइक दैट, नहीं फिर भी मुझे आपका गाइडेंस चाहिए, नो आई वॉन्ट टू लर्न फ्रॉम यू, देन यू कम टू मी. आई विल सेल यू. I'm not going to disappoint you, those who wants to buy my program. And for that only I started the lecture, because I was getting a lot of calls from my people, from my students. Okay, they again wanted to connect with me, ma'am, please you do something, because I will tell you a little bit about my classes. When I was running my classes, definitely I have staff of 10 people. So in starting I was conducting the lecture, but later on I was not in a condition to conduct the lecture, because I have many responsibilities to to look after, you can say that 150 to 200 students, and at the same time to look after 10 to 15 staff. Okay, so the owner gets involved into that. But I was feeling like that, oh no, students, because students love me. Those who learn from me, they love me, I know very well. some of them we want lecture, but even I love teaching, so how can I deny? I can't. So I kept the, you can say that win-win model for everyone. Every Sunday I was conducting my lectures. I was conducting my lectures every Sunday, no, sorry, not every Sunday, in a weekend one day, okay? Because Sunday, in a lectures, yeah, in classes, even Sundays, there is Saturday, Sunday batch, so sometimes I used to go in Sunday batch also. Another thing, for regular students, I used to conduct one day lecture in a weekend, but that lecture was not 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. That lecture used to happen for 4 hours, okay? So whatever are their queries and their connection, this all gets built, and I enjoy, they enjoy, they learn, okay? So they were calling me for a long time, so that's why I kept it in online model, by which those who wants to connect with me, sincerely those who wants to learn, those who are ready to pay the price. Paying the price does not mean paying the money, my dear friends. I'm saying paying the price means pay the effort, do whatever it needs to do, because we didn't learn English. It's not a matter of, it's not a mistake of my teachers, I'll say, or not your guardian. It's a mistake of our own self, because when we were in school days, college days, those days somewhere we were thinking these are the golden days, just let's enjoy it, keep the study aside, okay? We were not completing the homeworks, or we were not so much focused. So that's also part. And because I will tell you, for me, I'm from village, okay? And when I was studying, I remember even English, we got started to study in depth from 6th standard, okay? Till 5th standard, we know ABC, all this and that, okay? But whenever I got my teachers, this all credit goes to my teachers. I have got all the time, all strict teachers were my English teachers, till 12th standard, and they have right to hit you, beat you black and blue. They will beat you black and blue. I am studied from my 6th standard to 10th standard in girls school, okay? And all the time we got so strict teachers. They are not going to leave you in any condition if you have not completed her homework. Shanti ma'am, she was 6 to 8, she was class teacher also. She used to beat like anything. She never comes in the classroom without stick. Then we got our principal ma'am, Alpana Banerjee. She was also a Bengali ma'am and lovely teacher. She, even in 9th, 10th standard, girls were considered that now we are growing, so now family will not beat us, all this and that, okay? But we will be not beaten at home, but our teacher will beat a lot if you have not completed her homework. So, what was the impact? I will tell you. My principal ma'am, Alpana Banerjee, she was such a teacher. If she has given you assignment and you will not complete, she was so strict. The student who is so weak in study, those who, sometimes there are students, they are so weak in studies, they get in even examination marks 1, 2, 0 like that. Such students also complete Alpana ma'am homework, okay? They wake up their whole night, okay? They complete their homework. I have a friend, her name was Sangeeta. Many times what happens, she remembers everything. She was the daughter of a professor, okay? And ma'am knows her with her father's name also. So whenever she replies, and she needs by heart only, okay? So the matter is what? I have got now so all furious teachers in my English subject only. The same happens in even in 11th and 12th. We got our teacher, she was also Meena ma'am, and Meena ma'am also, she used to come with stick in 11th, 12th standard, okay? So there was no way not to study or just get rid of the subject, because I have all the time got these blessed teachers. So all the credit goes to them, and these are all about. So my dear friends, listen one thing, the pain, this is the pain, because when you complete the homework, it's not easy, okay? Now the thing is that, but if you talk about, my grammar and all was good, but if you talk about the spoken English, that was not good, because in school life, college life, you will see, in school days, if you belong, it's not like that, it's my village is very much, you can say, developed village, okay? Even when I was in my school days, in our village there were 4 colleges, okay, and it's very reputed, people are very aware, and teachers were also good. Nowadays what is happening, it's tough to say that. I'll say sometimes teachers are good, but nowadays a lot, so much business mind and professionalism has come into teaching also, okay, but not with everyone. Still now there are nice teachers also. So let's come to the point, okay? Little bit I told you how I told you, just you be ready to take that pain. And I will tell you, English speaking, if you want to speak fluent, if you want to become world class, if you want to present yourself like world class, or if you want to present yourself decent, okay, like Arnab Goswami or whoever is your ideal person, okay, then you know what you need. You need regular practice and effort. You are student, you have come here to study. I don't know how many of you have went to study yesterday evening or today morning, okay, but one person went for study, and you know who was that person? That person is me. You will say you are prepared with everything. Why do you go? I will tell you why did I go for. It's just looking this, my things at a glance. Why I went there? You know, Baba Ramdev. He is known for what? He is known for yoga training. Okay, but do you know Baba Ramdev? He 5 a.m. daily he comes live. Okay, to show the practices of the asanas. But do you know the background history, my dear friend, what he did, what daily he does on back end? Daily he wakes up early in the morning, 5 a.m. Then he completes his rituals in almost 45 minutes. After that, daily he practices the asanas which he is doing from last 15-20 years. Daily he practices those asanas again, which he has to show you in the live session at 5 a.m. This is his ritual. He himself says that. Okay, and this is true. I will say this is true. कितने आप प्रिपेयर्ड हो, कितना आपको आता है, वो सब एक साइड है. लेकिन अगर आप एक रियली रियल जेन्युइन टीचर हो, अगर आप रियल ट्रेनर हो, then I will say you will go to just see at a glance even your stuff when you have to perform. And the same way, why I give this lesson to you, you have to do the same. You work on your own basis. For example, I gave you the name of movies, just you go tomorrow and you watch at least half an hour movie, okay, and now you will say I get tired, or now you can't give so much excuses because now we know lockdown is still going on and we are for work to home, most of them. Some people are going office also for work, but again, you know, we have, you can say that we have the flexibility of time, we can do that. Okay, so now next we will go. Now you have to become master in vocabulary. अभी देखो अभी क्या हुआ, जब आपने वो 10 movies देखी, here I will give you the glimpse of 10 to 11 movies. Okay, so these movies will help you a lot. Okay, it will give you the glimpse of the all important words. And my dear friends, पता है आपको फ्री में ही मैंने वर्ल्ड क्लास का स्टैंडर्ड आपको दे दिया, आपको कैसे करना है. ओके, now the thing is that what are those movies, ma'am? Tell me the movies. What I gave you the hacks, I gave you watch movie with subtitles. After that use earphone, आप earphone को use करो, then pause and search the meaning of the sentence or words whatever you have written. Then make your own vocabulary. अब आप अपनी खुद की vocabulary बनाओ. और वैसे आप मेरे कोर्स को भी ज्वाइन करते हो तो भी मैं आपको बोलूंगी आपको अपनी vocabulary बनानी है. आप ये ना सोचो मैं सब कुछ आपको दे दूंगी और आप खाओगे, क्योंकि आपको पता है आपको इसका पास सब कुछ है. Listen one thing, you have everything. I'm telling you, if you have this mobile phone na, you have everything. Nobody will tell you so transparently. Okay, but I'm saying spade to spade. You have everything. You are not working only. Why you are not working? Because you have a lot of work to do. You say, you don't know. I have my office work. I have 2 children. I have 3 children. I have school. I'm a teacher. So I have 100 children. I have to look after them. You know, anytime my online lecture get started. So all these, I'll say, you know what are all these? All these are लिटिल वॉइस जो कि आपको कोई भी काम करने से रोकती है. मतलब आप कोई भी काम करने के लिए जब डिसाइड करते हो तो आपके अंदर से एक आवाज आती है, एक अंदर से आवाज आती है. वो आवाज क्या रहती है पता ये नहीं रहती, तू कैसे कर सकता है. दैट आवाज विल बी तू कैसे नहीं कर सकता है. इट विल गिव यू 1000 reasons why you can't do that. But my dear friends, listen, this voice is with each and every individual. Okay, it is in India, it is in America, it is in London, it is everywhere. This is the nature of human mind to think negatively. Okay, so whenever you will decide to do anything, sometimes it happens, you will decide I will do the business, okay, I will learn this language, but again there will be an inner voice, hey अभी तक तो हुआ नहीं, 10 साल से 12 साल से 15 साल से तो हुआ नहीं, अभी अचानक तुमको क्या ये हो गया है, तुम कर लोगे. चुप शांत रहो, जैसे चल रहे हो वो बहुत सही है, वैसे ही चलो, ज्यादा तुमको चूप चपट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. इट कम्स इन योर माइंड, this voice comes, but whenever this voice comes, what do you have to say? Stop. Okay, my dear friends, when this voice comes, at that moment say to yourself stop, and please convert this voice into positive frames. Okay, positive statements. How can you do that? I can do that. Okay, and you can do it by my help also, because I will screw you. I'm a very, I'll say I'm a very nice teacher, I'm a very humble teacher. At the same time, I will be as humble as a rose, but I will be as harder, as tough as an iron when times comes. And when I need, you need this thing, okay? You need this pain, I will give you that pain. Okay, because I told you, if you did not complete my homework, my teacher has only one funda. If you will not complete Alpna ma'am homework, she will do one thing, she will not allow you in the class. You have to take the notebook, you have to go out from the period, okay? And you have to buy hard, she will take your lunch box also. And sometimes if she will be so much angry, she will take your bag, she will give you lunch box, and she will say, go and have food. You come here only to eating food, you eat at home, you eat in the school, at the school, and you don't complete the homework. It's not good for you. Yes, you go and have food, and I will call you guardian. Who will dare to not to complete your homework? Okay, so I will not enter you in my class. How can't you complete my homework? You don't, and then you will not buy my course. I'm telling you in the beginning only. If you will not complete my homework, please be with me for 5 days only. Don't think for a long time, okay? Because I don't want 1% of fail. Because what will happen? If you fail, what happens? You never say I failed because I did not work. You always say I failed because my teacher did not work with me, or the person who was assisting me, who was giving me guidance, that person did not work with me. And it happens also sometimes. I agree with that. It happens. You are not speaking lie, or you are just complaining on anyone. So the thing is that be disciplined, my dear friends, okay? And keep single monomaniacal focus. आप अपनी लाइफ में सिंगल मोनोमोनिकल फोकस रखो. आप बोलोगे सिंगल मोनोमोनिकल फोकस क्या होता है? मतलब जब किसी भी चीज को डिसाइड कर लो, मुझे ये करना है, मुझे ये लैंग्वेज सीखनी है, या मुझे ये काम करना है, या मुझे इस एम को प्राप्त करना है, या मुझे इस सैलरी तक पहुंचना है, तो आपके सामने बस वही चीज हो. इट शुड बी लाइक एन हॉर्स. डू यू नो व्हेन अ हॉर्स walks, when a horse runs, it goes for a ride. So horse has such a stuff, okay? उसको एक ऐसा बंधा रहता है. And what is that? That is for what? उसका ध्यान दाएं बाएं किधर नहीं जाए. That should be straight, okay? Only in one direction. So you have to keep that all. And for this, what you need, good, big people. Even if you talk about Arnab Goswami, if you talk about big giants, when they speak with people, they sit with their notebook or something like that, and when they speak with the people, they note it down. I remember there was one guy, he was a director of any of the class in Mumbai, and I went there for he called me for interview for spoken English faculty in the very beginning when I came to Mumbai. And he was a very renowned person. I have heard about him. His branches are running so well, everything. And when he was taking my interview, he was writing something. I asked him at last, sir, what were you writing, Mr. Piyush? Then he replied me, Jyoti, whenever I sit with somebody, when I find any new word, I write it down and I add into my dictionary. I got a learning from that. So listen, whenever you watch movie, whenever you watch serial, or whenever you speak with person, if you get any new word, write it down and keep that dictionary 24 hours handy with you. अब बोलो को 24 आवर्स कैसे सोने जाऊंगा, तो कोई बात नहीं, तकिए के नीचे रखो ना. अरे भाई, इतनी बड़ी तो आप ले सकते हो. यू कैन टेक सच अ स्मॉल डिक्शनरी, राइट, एंड यू कैन कीप इट जस्ट at your bed under the pillow, and it will help you a lot. So now what are the movies we will discuss here now, okay? So then the next point was revise every Sunday. जो words आपने लिखे, ये आपकी अपनी vocabulary है. Now you have to become master in vocabulary. अभी क्या है, आप मास्टर बन रहे हो. देखो, अभी आपको एडवांस वर्ड मिले, और बेसिक्स वर्ड्स के लिए आप जो कॉमन वर्ब्स है डे टू डे लाइफ के, आप पूरी डिक्शनरी पे मत जाओ. डिक्शनरी मत खोलना, मैं खुद बोल रही हूँ, डू नॉट ओपन द डिक्शनरी until you have not to search any particular word meaning. जब तक कि तुम्हें कोई particular word meaning नहीं खोलनी है, मत खोलो, क्योंकि वो alphabetically meaning रहेंगे. You will get confused. अरे बाप रे बाप, ये सब कुछ होएगा, ये नहीं होएगा. और अगर ये करना है तो मेरे डिक्शनरी के वर्कशॉप में आना. डिक्शनरी को कैसे बाय हार्ट करते हैं वो हम वहाँ पे सिखाएंगे. इट इज गोइंग टू हैपन इन 1st and 2nd October. Okay, so now what are those movies we will understand, my dear friends, and after that we will come to grammar. Very short we will understand the gravity. ग्रेविटी इज द फर्स्ट मूवी. और डोंट वरी, आपको ये मूवीज का नाम लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. मूवीज के ऊपर मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया हुआ है, वो वीडियो मैं आपको सेंड कर दूंगी, ओके, ग्रुप में आज ही. तो आपको वो सारे टाइटल्स वहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे. और अगर आपकी हैंड राइटिंग फास्ट है, मुझे सुन सकते हो, लिख सकते हो, ओके एंड फाइन. बट आई विल पोस्ट दैट वीडियो. दैट वीडियो इज 14 to 15 minutes, राइट? सो एंड दिस वीडियो ऑल्सो यू विल गेट टुडे. सो द फर्स्ट मूवी इज द ग्रेविटी. And Gravity is, my dear friend, it is a movie on the basis of astronauts. They went in space, okay, and they, they lost there, and after long effort anyhow they come to the earth. So it is a very beautiful and nice movie. The second movie is A Beautiful Mind. A beautiful mind, my dear friends. You have a beautiful body and you work hard to maintain your beautiful body, but do you know, do you try to make your body also, your mind also as beautiful as your body is? Because nowadays, you know, male and female, male goes to salons and female goes to beauty parlors and they try, I will become beautiful. है, एक बात बोलूँ, अगर हम पार्लर और सैलून जाने से ब्यूटीफुल और हैंडसम बनते ना, तो दुनिया में कोई भी लड़का, मैं लड़की में बोलूँगी ना, तो अगली रहता और ना ही, मतलब you know, everybody would be beautiful or everybody would have hair if we can get the hair while applying something like some oils or some treatments like that. So ये सब क्या है? ये सब illusion है. Okay, it's wastage of time. I will say save that money and spend that money in buying those things which will upgrade your mind level. My dear friends, listen one thing. अभी यहाँ पे मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताना चाहूँगी. You know, most of the people work, you know, for the, you know, fulfillment of here to your feet. Okay, what means, you know, most of the people work from here to feet means वो अच्छा से अच्छा अपने आप को पहनाएंगे, अच्छे से अच्छे कपड़े पहनाएंगे, खाना खिलाएंगे, ओके, फिर मेकअप के लिए सामान भी खरीदेंगे, सब कुछ करेंगे. बट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, रिमेंबर, all these things, how do we create? We create all these things with the help of our mind. Okay, so please spend money to develop your mind. Buy good books, buy good programs. Okay, and this, you know, if you will invest your money into all these good things ना, you will be not the same person. अभी मैं आपको एक अच्छा आइडिया, यहाँ पे आपको मैं एक अच्छी बुक recommend करूँगी. I will say, if you want to develop your mind and use it completely ना, my dear friends, do one thing. Read a book As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. इतनी पतली सी बुक है, पढ़ने को बैठोगे एक से, अगर आपकी इंग्लिश स्लो भी रहेगी तो 1 से 1.5 घंटे में आप फिनिश कर लोगे, मतलब 1 से 1.5 घंटे में आप उस बुक को पढ़ लोगे. ओके, तो जस्ट यू रीड दैट बुक. My dear friends, when you will read that book will give you tremendous impact in your life. वो बुक आपको, आपका लाइफ को पूरा चेंज करेगी, आपके थॉट पैटर्न को पूरा चेंज करेगी. ठीक है, और मैं बोलूँगी कि जितने भी बड़े बड़े प्रोग्राम्स हैं ना, और जो यू नो वर्ल्ड क्लास इवेंट ट्रेनर्स हैं, लीडर्स हैं ना, हर किसी ने उस बुक को पढ़ी है. एज अ मैन थिंकेथ, बड़ी छोटी सी बुक है. ओके, जेम्स एलन की. ही इज अ लिटरेरी पर्सन, जेम्स एलन. आई एम अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ लिटरेचर. आई नो वेल टू हिम. आई हैव स्टडीड दैट बुक. दैट बुक इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, राइट? सो ओके, now the next movie which you need, that is first was the Gravity, second was A Beautiful Mind, then Pursuit of Happiness. आपको पता है ये मूवी बहुत खूबसूरत. स्टॉक मार्केट में जो हीरो है वो है, उसका नाम मुझे भी नहीं याद आ रहा है, वो हीरो स्टॉक मार्केट. इट्स अ रियल हैपनिंग मूवी, दिस A Pursuit of Happiness. He is a single father, okay, and he struggled a lot to get the value from stocks, and he got ultimately. It's a फैंटास्टिक मूवी. आई लव दिस मूवी. ओके, आप देखोगे तो आप खुद बोलोगे रे ज्योति